What color?
It's anti-bullying day. So I think we're gonna do blue. This blue.
Okay. Crazy.
I actually don't mind it, and I think you look gorgeous all the time. Wait. Wink. One more time.
Bye.
Itty bitty.
Such a catfish. Bombshell. Bombshell.
Bombshell props. You're a very aggressive makeup person.
Dude, look straight when I say look up. That's not up either.
You were so aggressive.
Why can't you put it like, put your phone here? That's how up I want you to look. Up.
Stop. Me and Jordan